Hey everyone, welcome to the STEM Academy. I'm super excited to have you here. Are you curious about electronics but not sure where to start? Or maybe you have heard of Tinkercad circuits and want to learn how to use it to build real working projects, all from your computer. Let's get started. In this lesson, we are going to learn all about one of the most essential tools in electronics, the breadboard. A breadboard is a reusable platform used to build and test electronic circuits without soldering. It's like Lego for electronics. Breadboard are great prototyping because you can quickly plug in components and move things around. Let's explore the breadboard layout in Tinkercad. Open a new circuit and drag a breadboard onto the workspace. I will explain three main parts. First, terminal strip. These tiny holes are for connecting components. Each row is split into two halves, one left and one right. The five holes in each half row are connected internally. Power rails. The columns are labeled with red and blue lines. They run vertically and each column is connected internally. It is used to distribute power and ground across the breadboard. Here are few tips when using breadboard. Use color-coded wires, red for power and black for ground. Always double check which rows and rails are connected. Use short wires to keep your circuit neat. Now you understand how a breadboard works and how to use it in Tinkercad. This is the foundation for building any electronic circuit. Make sure to like this video, subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss it.